To move icons around your Apple TV, all you need to do is go to the icon that you want to select, push and hold, click Edit Home Screen, and then you can now move the icon around and you can add it to the home screen. You can also push and hold and move to a new folder where you could create a new folder. This one's called Music. You could then add something like Music to that music folder as well. If you want to delete an app, all you need to do is go over to the app, push and hold, then go down to delete, and then you have two options: delete, which gets rid of everything, or you can offload the app, which will free up storage and keep its data.